Yo Giant Nation, what's up? Guys, I'm just going to quickly talk about the Giant Connection. That is my training philosophy or principle. It's very, very simple, guys. I bet you every single one of you out there have heard of mind-to-muscle connection. What is mind-to-muscle connection? Mind-to-muscle connection is connecting with the correct muscle while doing a movement. When I mean correct muscle, I mean if you are doing lateral raises, it means you're connecting with your medial delt and you're getting the feeling in your medial delt. Now, all the Giant Connection is a progression on the mind-to-muscle connection. It's taking it a little bit further. It's putting in a little couple other steps in order for you to get that connection 100%. The first thing I want to tell you guys is the Giant Connection says that when you walk into the gym and when you know which body part you're going to train on your training split for that day, you need to evaluate your movements before doing them, okay? So for instance, if we're doing a lateral raise, you need to evaluate which part of the shoulder am I supposed to be feeling this movement, or which part of the shoulder is this movement supposed to be hitting. Then when you're doing the movement, you need to again ask yourself the question, am I feeling this movement in the place that I'm supposed to be feeling it, in the muscle that I'm supposed to be feeling it? The Giant Connection says that if you're doing a movement and you hit failure, there should be a localized, intense burn on the desired, intended muscle, and then failure should come from there. So for instance, a lot of people do bicep curls and they'll just curl and curl and they'll curl with the incorrect form, and then when they put the weight down, I'll say to them, so what did you feel? And they'll say, no, it just got really, really heavy and I couldn't lift it anymore and I put it down. That is incorrect, okay? The movement might have looked correct, but just the simple fact that you said, you know, it just got numb and sore everywhere and I put it down, means that you weren't using your biceps only to lift the weight. The Giant Connection says that the biceps, if you're doing a barbell curl, should be the muscle that's failing, and the biceps only. That means that there should be an incredible burn and intense pain in those biceps before you hit failure. Then when you put the bar down, the biceps are going to be 100% smashed, and because of that, you're going to have caused a little bit of micro damage, micro tears, which is going to make your body build them up bigger and stronger. Okay, those muscles are bigger and stronger. So it's important that when you're training a muscle, you are feeling the resistance and the desired effect in that muscle and not in other muscles. The Giant Connection, if you sign up today, is going to teach you how to do that and how to do that in a 100% fashion. So guys, do yourself a favor, go to the sign in part of my page, click sign in, join the Giant Connection, because just remember, there's a giant in everybody.